Hi, my name is Paula Cox, and this is my second progress report for my explicit dynamic analysis. This slide here just shows the geometry. So you have a car and a barrier. The car has a material of aluminum, and the barrier has a material of structural steel. I wanted to model it this way so that the car would be hitting something with a higher density than itself. This slide here shows the von Mises stress. This is more of an underview, and as you can see, the part of the car where the wheels will go underneath reaches that maximum stress, and you can also see some variation in stress underneath the barrier as well. This here is a top view, and as you can see, where the car comes into direct contact, that reaches the maximum stress as well. It's kind of hidden, but you can see the red areas here on the side, on the edges. And you can also see the stress that's happening here in the back of the car and also here on top of the barrier. This last slide shows the stress variation in the barrier on the back end. So here's clearly where the car is hitting it from the front, and then you also have some variation in stress here. Thank you.